Hello and welcome. We are the market leader for high-tech, German-made, certified medical devices for professional and home use. Our machine is the most innovative, advanced, and versatile magnetic resonance stimulation system on the market. This video guide will show you how to set up your PEMF machine for the first time. To open the box, lift the top flap and carefully remove the control unit and all included components from the packaging. The package includes the following items. The control panel includes a stand. The housing is made of brushed aluminum, a 10.2-inch touchscreen to select the protocols. There are 2 earphones ports on the sides. There are 2 USB ports, one for connecting the brainwave therapy system, which is optional, and the other for downloading files from a USB stick such as music and future PEMF features. A single power button turns the whole system on and off, and there are 2 buttons to change the sound volume. On the back side, the cable connection to the connector box is already plugged into the housing. The connector box. This is the hub that connects the PEMF control panel to all of the various applicators. There are 6 applicator connectors on the sidebar of the aluminum housing, 3 on the left, and 3 on the right side. Furthermore, you will find 2 connectors for the optionally available biofeedback finger sensor for measuring SpO2 and HRV values, as well as 2 additional USB sockets for connecting the optionally available brainwave entrainment stimulation system. We service customers worldwide, and that's why we have multiple power supply adapters to fit all countries. All PEMF bundles include a whole body applicator for generating the pulsating magnetic fields. For the hybrid and trial variants, we supply a special whole body applicator with an additional far infrared function. The honeycomb structure of the biocompatible applicator material is breathable. It prevents sweating and is very easy and uncomplicated to clean with mild soapy water and a soft cloth. A LED light, located near the cable outlet, signals the correct function of the applicator with a green color during operation. The pulsating magnetic field changes the pole direction every 2 minutes. This is indicated by the LED changing to a turquoise color. If the LED lights up red, there is a malfunction. In this case, please contact the customer service. The body mat has 3 sections, and the best way to fold it is in the letter S or S shape. The whole body mat for home use should be used on a firm, flat surface like a carpeted floor. This will keep the large copper coils from bending. An extremely flat, firm massage table can be used for a therapist. The magnetic field comes out both sides of the body mat and pad applicator. Always lay on the whole body mat, with your head positioned at the end where the cable comes out of the applicator. This is very important, because the applicator emits a higher magnetic field intensity at the feet end of the mat, compared to the head end. The far infrared heat only comes out one side of the mat, and that is the side with the transparent hexagon logo near the feet end. Have that side facing up. Also included in the bundle sets is a pad applicator. The pad applicator should not be folded or bent. Keep the pad flat on the body. The magnetic field intensity setting is strong enough to pass into the body completely. It can be used for local application, for example around the knee area on the shoulder or on the back. Like the whole body mat, it has an optical function control to indicate the correct color of operation. The body mat and pad is lightweight and can easily be carried in our PEMF applicator travel bag. All our prime sets, with the exception of the basic, come with a spot applicator. It can be used for targeted treatments, for example on the leg, arm, neck, knee and pelvic area. The opposite arrangement of the coils during application results in a so-called Helmholtz effect. In this case, a completely homogeneous magnetic field is generated in the center of the applicator, therefore increasing the efficiency. The hexagon spot has a flexible strap for easy and effective fixation. Like the other applicators, it is equipped with an optical function control to indicate correct operation. For all our PEMF systems, we optionally offer 2 additional product extensions. The brain entrainment. Together with your PEMF treatment, the brain entrainment enables you to stimulate the brain waves with optical, acoustic, and chromatic signals. For this purpose, sequences of specific frequency bundles are generated via the supplied LED light flashing goggles, and a headphone or earphone for music, tones, and the bionic beats. The brain goggles have 12 built-in RGB LEDs on each side and are completely darkened for optimal performance. An elastic strap provides easy adjustment, and the USB cable connects directly to the connector box or the touchscreen tablet. Biofeedback finger sensor. This applicator enables even more complex functionality of your PEMF system. Here, biologically relevant data is read from the user's body via a light-sensitive finger sensor during a PEMF application. Our PEMF machine processes the data and calculates the individual heart rate variability in order to actively regulate the intensity of the applied magnetic field. Furthermore, your peripheral oxygen saturation is read out and logged. All data is stored by the system and can subsequently be downloaded and further processed in external analysis software. For more information, visit www.pemf.inc.